The Bureau of Animal Industry refuted the false claims of a bird flu outbreak in TARLAC. Vanessa Cleophas returns for the report.
The Bureau of Animal Industry or BAI announced no bird flu outbreak in the Tarlac City. This follows the recent statement from the BAI regarding the alleged bird flu outbreak in the province, which alarmed the public about buying poultry products. The BAI promptly conducted laboratory tests on chickens where the virus was reported to confirm the issue and prove it false. In the result released by the Department of Agriculture or DA from samples taken from poultry products in the province of Tarlac, Agriculture Assistant Secretary for Swine and Poultry Dante Palabrica said that these samples tested negative for highly pathogenic avian influenza. Therefore, the public has nothing to worry about purchasing these products as they are safe from any outbreak. Hence, the circulating news is unfounded. The BAI previously stated that the last recorded case of bird flu in the province was in December 2023. They also emphasized that their agency is careful and serious in implementing health and safety measures. The DABAI urged the public to rely on information from trusted agencies with adequate knowledge on related issues. This is Vanessa Cleophas for EuroTV News.